Good morning, guys. It's 18. Oh, what's up, you guys? It's going on from. What you guys been up to? Anything for questions? Anything exciting? Well, right now, you guys, we are going to paint some more, you guys, because I'm in my old paint outfit, you guys. Yeah, we are doing some more painting today. Probably finished the job today. So that's what we are going to be doing today, so I'll talk to you guys when we do some more painting today.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Guys, so right now, you guys, I'm at the person's house that we are painting, so talk to you guys when we are painting. Just got done on this side, you guys. I'm looking in the middle now because we have to do another coat, so that's what we are doing. Second coating time, you guys. Yes, we are doing the second coat. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm not that bad dirtiness actually. My arm and one on my nose right there, you guys. Paint on my nose. No, paint on my nose. But I'm not that bad, at least on my old clothes anyhow, so hey, that's okay. So I will talk to you guys when I jump in the shower, because I'm going to jump in the shower now, so I'll talk to you guys then. We are just going to my parents' place for supper, you guys. Yeah, we are going to my parents' place for supper. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll talk to you guys when we go for supper. So right now, you guys, Dad and me are going to have a game of pool. So that's what the plan is. So that's what we're going to do. So I just got done at my parents' place and we are just parking the vehicle right now, you guys. So I hope you have a good day. We played some 21 Go Back, and we also had a business meeting for the church. So that's what we did today. So hey, it was fun and exciting. I'm gonna move up a little bit more. I should move up a little bit more. So tomorrow's gonna be a really good day, you guys. So I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get inside. So I'm gonna end today's video, you guys. I thought I was gonna do more, but I'm gonna end today's video, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Good.